I hid the garbage perfectly. We'll keep it, it's fine. You ready?
The longer you stall, the more you fake yourself.
I know, the worse it gets.
So maybe that's motivation.
The longer you stall, the longer you have to sit here in the baking sun for. Hey guys, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm Emma. I hit my microphone, I'm gonna redo that. Hey guys, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm Emma. Today we have the Sixthreezero Relaxed Body. We're going to be doing a stability test. So as a little refresher, in case you missed some of our other videos on this bike, we have a 750 watt motor. I had to think about it. 750 watt motor. We have a 20 amp hour battery just underneath the seat here. We have mechanical brakes in the front. We have parking brakes as well on either side, left and right. We have a right shifter and also your right twisty throttle, whatever that's called. I'm gonna call it that. Is that it?
Good enough.
I think that's it.
Good enough.
Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Pass one.
Let us know how fast you're going.
I don't know how fast I'm going. I'm going about 4.4. 5. 5.2. Ah! We got a Tesla. We got a car. Remember our conversation earlier about maybe not going past pass one? Okay, well, that was about like 5 miles an hour. I'm kind of scared now.
Turn around and go the other way.
Turn around and go the other way.
That's your speed.
2.1, 2.2, 2.4. I'm only going like 2 miles an hour and it's lifting up.
That's how it is with some. Hey. Think about how you're going to close out your video.
How am I going to close out my video? Okay, well, there you have it. It's the Sixthreezero Relaxed Body. I wouldn't suggest doing donuts past like 5 miles an hour unless you want to end up on your butt. So, have a good day. We'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Bye.